could never lose my hope. I've been down this road before. Now I know which way to go.
Hey guys, we're on our first job of the day. We're going to be out here in Nacogdoches, Texas, cleaning up a bunch of concrete, a house, a fence, a retaining wall, and so many other things. We hope that you can tune in and watch us, and we'll see you soon.
You just gotta live. You just gotta.
Yeah, I want it like I need to breathe. Yeah, make it clear like I need to see. Woo. As a kid, mama told me sky's the limit till you hit it. Like in Griffith to the fences, out of there, out the park, hit and run. That's my drive. That's my drive. It's a vibe, been that way all my life. Yeah, I shut it down when I shine with the truth. Yeah, I ride with the crew. Gave my life to the truth. Testify. Walking water like the son of man. Understand? I'll never.
Hey guys, Francisco with Low Pressure Pressure Wash. We're about to apply our safe low pressure cleaning solution to this privacy fence here. Check out the difference.
But you can't stop now. You just gotta live.
Living till there's nothing left. Lean on. We need you like there's no one else. Ain't nobody out here more like you. And with you that broke the mold, and ain't no more like you. That's for sure. Woo. I can't drop out like the top down on the coat. Tell them watch out when I walk, I make a move. Sunday morning with my hands up, like they got the handcuffs. Searching for some answers since mama passed cancer. And my sister left Seattle with a one-way ticket home. Hope she hold the chase and teaching him to speak some more. Gotta keep it going, yeah, that's all it told me. Tell him you can make it when you know the one and only.
Burning right beyond the fire. You were born to win, yeah, you're a fighter. Don't let your life